Alright guys, just a quick video here. Obviously I showed you I had the mountain shocks. They were really cheap ones off eBay. The springs are inside them, as you can see here. And I've just done my first trial in my garden in the little spot where I'm going to turn into a crawler course. Mostly for micro crawlers, but the 10 scale ones like this will still fit to an extent. So I'll get that footage up what I've got after I talk about this. But for the money, these things are so impressive. It's unbelievable. The way the angles it can get, it can go way steeper, it can climb more. I've got a lot more ground clearance. It's 4 inches to the bottom of this bumper for the table. I'm getting 4.5 inches lift at the front this way before the wheel starts coming off at the back like that, and I'm getting 5.25 at the back. So when you're lifting it up, I mean, you're getting so much flex and they're so smooth. I've not changed any of the internal springs. It came from 3 different types, but they're all really nice. And subtle things like, even when it's moving, when you watch the car, the body roll, the little bounce and things you get with these shocks, it looks even more scale. My phone's going crazy there, sorry. It looks more scale bouncing about, and it's just so nice. I'm really kind of in disbelief that something as cheap as what they were turned out to be so good. I've put 20 weight oil in them, or 20 CST or whatever as you call it, super light, but I didn't want to put anything heavy. I didn't want much dampening in it at all, and the car just seems to perform really good. So I'll give you a quick look at these shocks just now, then I'll put the footage up. The footage I've got is just loads of different clips put together. No talking, no music, just to kind of let you see it in action as if you were sort of driving it yourself sort of look, and you'll see the flex. If you watch the way it flexes at the back when it's going over things at the front, and just a little bits of body bounce and stuff, it makes what already is an outstanding RC car that a little bit better. And yeah, for really dirt cheap money considering the price of some RC aftermarket parts. So I'll get this body off. I'll give you another quick look at these with it off, then yeah, I'll show you the footage. So just a quick video again, just to show you what I'm experiencing with this, and I'm super impressed. So there they are guys, before we go, the mountain shock, I think that is the brand, Mountain. Really nice, really compact, looks shiny, looks good underneath the body as well, and the light hits off them. They come in different colours. I went for the sort of stainless, sort of titanium, I think it is, colour, but you can get them in red, blue, green, whatever colour you like. And yeah, just look out for them guys. If you're looking for new shocks, I would most certainly say grab a set of these. So here comes the footage, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in our video very soon. Got a few other things coming that I've not spoke about yet, and like I say, the channel is going to start getting very busy very soon.